When we move to a new place, we have to explore, we have to know people, we have to know the surroundings. Along with that, we have some challenges, we have some official things to do, as well as some documents work to do. So today's video is all about that and how to start being in a new place. So let's walk together. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Walk with Rajeshri once again, and today I am going to tell you about the important thing about being new in Sweden. It's just been a week I am here, and the first and foremost thing is to get a personal number. So you have to go and apply for the personal number, and that is the first and important thing to do. So today's video I am going to describe how to do and what to do and what is the requirement for the personal number. So let's walk with me. When you're new here and new to the place, you don't have a car, so take a metro, that is called subway here, and get into the station called Torresplan station and come out of the station, take your left turn, walk straight, and there will be a walk sign, cross the road, and after crossing the road again take a left and you can walk, and we have to go to the taxation office of Sweden, Stockholm, and you don't have to apply for the before. You just can go, and it's open at 10 a.m. in the morning and closed by 4 p.m. in the evening. So Monday to Friday, in between any day you can go if you're coming alone or coming along with the family. So you all have to go there together. So you have to fill a form out there, and then this is a building number 76, and you reach little early before, so you don't have to stay in a line. Even you're a little late, it doesn't matter because the queue doesn't make you wait very long. You can just move fast and fast. There are a lot of people out there to help you. So here I am in the building of 76, and inside you can go and have your apply for the personal number. Once you go inside, first you have to take a token, and they will call you depend on your token number, and it doesn't take much long. It is just a 5 to 6 minutes of a wait, and they'll call you inside and they will ask you to fill up a form. Moving to Sweden, this is the first and important thing. Like in America, social security number, in India, Aadhaar card number. Like social security number and this personal number is always very important, because without that you cannot have your bank account, you cannot have your other things going on, like your medical things. And also this Sweden personal number is very important, and you have to do it within a week you come over here. So the documents you have to carry is like that: your passport, Swedish visa card, if you are married, so marriage certificate, kids, if you have a kids, then kids birth certificate, work support letter if you have, bring that along with you. This personal number is your identity in Sweden as long as you are here and you want to stay here. It's just like in any other country, and this is your identity number. You have to keep it along with you. After you submit your application, you need to wait for at least 4 weeks to get your Swedish personal number done. Sometime if you're lucky, you can get it within 2 weeks. So let's hope how long it takes for me to get it. This personal number will help you to have your healthcare service, bank account number, any bank ID. If you're putting your children to the daycare or school, you need to have your personal number. Plus, if you're a job seeker, you can need that. If you want to learn or do some studies, you also need to have this personal number. But without the personal number, you can start working, you can have your library card, you can do things. But within 1 or 2 months, you have to submit your personal number. So my friends, it's very important. The moment you are here, just wait for 1 or 2-3 days or 1 week and apply for that. And that's very important. Hope this information of mine will help you out. So please subscribe and walk with me more.
Subscribe.